So, welcome to channel Sanjeev070. So, in this video, we are basically going to cover management aspect. And I have a commerce graduate who has been graduated in 2020, and he is now placed in a management-based company and under management section. So, being a tech aspirant and tech YouTuber, I don't have much understanding about management. So, he will guide us regarding the management role and what are the difficulties that fresher faces during the interview process, and what are the public speaking opinions about the interviews, and what are the skills that we need to have enough, and how he had faced the interviews, and how about the mock interviews, etc. So welcome to the channel, Devdutt Bharne. He's my school fellow mate, and
Hi Sanjeev.
yeah, so he's a, I suppose he's a regular watcher watching of in our channel. Are you doing it?
Yes,
Yeah,
absolutely,
okay,
man.
sure, definitely. Thanks for being such a such a great audience for our channel. So let's now start. And this session has been divided into four parts. So basically, the first part would be I want you to just introduce yourself and just tell us about how far the difficulties you faced during the interview process.
Hmm.
Second would be I have some Q&A round here, and I have some 4 to 5 questions that you need to just answer in your opinion how the candidates could face
Okay.
up for the upcoming college fellow mates. And the third one would be I will share my experiences, and just we can correlate both of each other, and this how a better experience could be enhanced for the upcoming generations and upcoming is. And the fourth part would be the conclusion part, where I want you to give some of the tips so that people could definitely face uh, what are the difficulties people face, that people could eradicate it. So let's begin.
Yeah,
uh,
sure.
so can you introduce yourself there?
Yeah, so I am Devdutt Bharne. I am currently living in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh.
Okay.
I am 20 years old and I have done my graduation from Career College Bhopal in the course BCom Computer Applications. Yeah.
So, can you tell regarding the difficulties that you faced as a fresher while approaching first time over the HR round, and what about aptitude and reasoning that you face as you have been placed in a big MNC? So,
Yeah.
what are the qualities and what are the rounds that they kept for you for the understanding and how you cleared it? So, can you guide through that?
Sure. I will do that. So on 9th of January,
Okay.
my campus placement was organized. The company came into my college for the campus drive,
Okay.
and I was called at 8:30 a.m. in the morning.
Okay.
The HRs came at 10 a.m. Then they briefed us about the company and the job regarding what they are recruiting us. Then after that, I guess there were 300 plus candidates sitting for the job. Then after that, they gave us a general test, which included maths, English, aptitude,
कौन है रे?
reasoning, and it had 40 questions, and we had to clear. We have to. There was a
अंदर
cutoff. We need to obtain uh, a marks of 30 plus to
Okay.
pass in that test. Yeah, and it was a MCQ based type paper. There was 5 options, not 4. Traditionally, we have 4 options, but there were 5 options. And for correct answer, we need to cross on the answer, not tick. It was a little
Okay.
tricky. So they gave us five. First, they gave us 5 sample questions. We need to. They gave us so that we can do the further questions. Yeah. So it was of 15 minutes, and we need to score at least 30, and total questions were 40, and negative marking was also there. So I gave it. Yeah, I attempted, I guess, out of 40, I attempted 37 questions. And after that, after I gave the test, the results were announced, and I was selected for the further rounds. Yeah, so
Okay.
after that, 3 more interviews were taken
So
for me.
these were, I think, subsequent rounds, or else it would be just clubbing up all in one day, and we were just doing it.
No, it was subsequent rounds only.
Okay.
Yeah, so there were 3 HRs, different HRs, who were taking the
So it was a
step-by-step
panel like
interviews.
how you could just interview, you could see each and every aspect of yours.
Yeah, it was a panel of
Okay.
three HRs.
Okay.
Yeah, so they took my interview, uh, yeah, step by step, and after that, I was selected for the
Okay.
company. Only three students were selected from a college, and I was one of them.
Okay, so congratulations for
Yeah,
that from a channel. So
thank you,
basically,
thank you.
again, as you have already previously mentioned that you told about your experiences regarding the interview process, you detailed about the interview
Yeah,
process. You just came up with the confidence that today you will crack the interview. So how positive you were at the day of interview? Because many people, just suffocate the day of interview because they lack of confidence, lack of seeing people, even though they clear written
yeah,
rounds like aptitude reasoning, but still they when they face people they don't have enough communication skills or something by which they easily broke up in them, and even though they are good in academics but still they can't cope up with how. So what advice you would like to give for that people, that kind of people while at the end of
yeah.
interview?
So I will say that stay motivated, stay positive.
Okay.
There is no need to worry. Yeah, and you need to. There's a one important thing that I will share, that you need to communicate in English only. Hindi is
Okay.
not allowed, or any other regional language is not allowed. They were seeing for communication skills also.
Okay.
So, yeah, I cleared almost every round, and I was talking in English only. So that's why they. I think it's my thinking that uh, because I was talking in English, they preferred me over other candidates.
Okay. So
Yeah.
how it was difficult for you to crack aptitude and reasoning? Was it very too difficult or was it very moderate at moderate level?
So it was divided in two parts.
Okay.
First 20 questions were little easy, and
Okay.
the other 20 questions were difficult. Yeah, the HR
Okay.
only told us. Yeah, so it was like that, and yeah, it was tough. I can say that, but
So have you
not too
prepared
tough.
for months like people prepare or just a couple of
No,
days
no,
enough for the
I
preparation?
didn't. I didn't do that.
Okay, you have just
I
gone handy
was
there and you have just
casually.
cracked the interview.
Yeah,
So
I casually gave the test.
okay. So these
Yeah.
people first came into your college and shortlisted on the basis of your merit marks, I suppose, right? On the basis of your degree marks.
Yeah. So we were
Uh,
supposed to have an aggregate of 65% or more
okay.
in the graduation, in
Okay.
10th class also, and in 12th also.
Okay. They are
Yeah,
seeing again that also, all the three criteria.
yeah. Yes.
Okay. So basically
They
what.
needed 65% or above.
Okay,
Yeah.
so basically, what role they have depicted to you now as a current? Any information that they have given like this role you will be doing coming
Now
after
they have
joining?
said that I will be an intern in the company. Then
Okay,
after that, they'll give me the role. Yeah.
okay.
So
So
it would be, I think, assistant executive or something like that.
assistant internship,
Assistant
executive.
executive
Okay,
after
okay.
internship.
After
Yeah.
internship. So you will
Yeah.
learn marketing skills. You will learn like customer attraction, like how to make sales of
Definitely,
products,
I
and
will.
definitely that will be
Yes.
better for you. Okay. So,
Yeah.
there are basically our audience is the younger age, especially the 18 to 24, where people aspirant to become go to
Hmm.
big MNCs. So my now let's proceed to round two. So in this,
Okay.
I have a couple of comments through my previous videos that people are been already been judged by someone while they go on interview, like how they should shape themselves on the day of interview without panic, without fear. So can you throw a light
Okay.
on that point?
Sure. I will. So, firstly, the most important step is to do a detailed study, background study of the company also. Most
Okay.
people tend to forget this. Yeah, but you should have the information of the company also, because the HR could ask that also, like about the company also. Yeah, so that we need to do. Then the second thing is the resume. Your resume should be very much neat and clean. It should not be very clumsy. It should be very simple. Yeah. And third thing would be your dressing sense. Dressing sense should be very proper, you should be wearing very nice clothes and decent clothes. Casual
Okay.
will not work. And yeah, pretty much that only,
Okay,
I would say.
so very hopeful answer that viewers will definitely get a better opinion. So
Yeah.
my next question to you is, like if I am a I am a guy who is from tech background. Okay, people
Hmm.
usually just migrate it from to non-tech background. Like people do MBA after their bachelors, and people do some kind of management other certification also just to
Yeah.
indulge themselves in management side. So is it advisable
Hmm.
for a fresher to do that directly without experience, or first take a job, land up there, hold on with your experience, then you proceed with that? So what's your opinion
So
regarding it?
yeah, so I'll if a guy is from tech background, then I will
Okay.
not suppose him to first do the masters in MBA. I'll say that first you need to take a job, first learn about that what is management and what all things we need to do in that. Then I'll suggest that go for the further studies like MBA.
Okay.
So in my case, the company has said that if I'll work in the company for 2 years, the company will provide me with my MBA. They'll
Okay.
only sponsor
So
me
they'll
for that.
sponsor you for the further
Yeah,
master
yeah,
studies. Okay.
yes,
So while staying in company, you need to just do it, right? Like correspondence course would be definitely preferred over.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
Huh,
Okay.
they'll do that. Yeah.
Okay. So, bro, there are many questions are also there. Like, if you have been
Hmm.
cleared almost a couple of questions, but people usually come up like, I have a communication fear. Okay, like we both are
Hmm.
friends, so we chat, we talk in a different way. Why, like it's in not a formal way. But if I
Yeah,
talk the same in the same manner, like being a friend and to some other third person, so that person feels like this person is incapable for this job. Like he doesn't take it in that way that as a friend takes, because he's a third person, he's anonymous to me. But
yeah,
what
yeah,
my criterion is, how far the opinion is concerned to the people as they see HR, because it is a very very grateful that people would some people would definitely take up the job, and some people would just be afraid of HR. So can you tell me how to
hello.
face
Yeah.
the panel, and what are the difficulties that you faced personally while at the facing the
So
panel
yeah,
especially?
yeah, yeah. Hmm. So you need to be very much professional there.
Okay.
We cannot talk very friendly to them. Yeah, we need to maintain a line between. There's a very thin line. Yeah, we should not cross that. We should be very personal. If they are asking some question, so we need to answer them very much professional wise only. We
Okay.
cannot talk to them like casually or something like that. Yeah.
So the next thing is this motivation that you joined this company. Now, are you applying for any other companies also simultaneously?
No, I'm not
Okay.
doing that.
So
I'm very
people
much happy
generally
with my
confuse with
company.
the like people have 2 to 3 offers, right? People have 2 to 3 offers,
Yes,
so they just
definitely.
confuse
Yeah.
and how to form, how to go. So what's your opinion? Like how if I have 3 offers and how to choose? People will definitely choose on the basis of salary. It's open,
Yeah,
but
yeah, yeah.
the secondary aspect, like the growth is also seen, because as you go
Hmm.
long run in the company, you should just not focus the salary, not the designation. You should also focus on the growth, on the long side growth. And as you said that some companies are offering the masters also once you are employed for their 2 years.
Definitely. Yeah.
So these companies are definitely multinational companies, and or especially a
Hmm.
big giants
Certainly.
who would definitely
Yeah.
do that. So what's your opinion regarding this point?
So I will say if you are having 3 or 4 job offers, so I will say that pick that one which you are it the job is of your interest.
Okay.
I suggest that go for that. Don't look for the package. It is all based on the interest of the candidate. I'll say
Okay.
that. Yeah.
Okay, so now let's put on to round three. We are proceeding to round three. Bro, actually, as you know,
Sure.
I am from tech background, so I basically do
Hmm.
some kind of projects. So I just need to have a friendly conversation with you regarding management. So if I do projects and
Hmm.
people convince us, the recruiters are always from the management side. So can you tell how a tech background understandable is? Is it directly understandable to the recruiter, or we can just speak up with our resume?
Yes, we can do with our resume also, but
Okay.
having a understanding of management thing is also very much beneficial for you.
Okay.
Uh, yeah, if the guy is not having any experience or any knowledge of management, then the HR is not interested in him because
Okay.
you said if you're applying for a management job, so they'll look for the management skills also,
Okay.
side by side tech skills also. Yeah, so both the skills are required for that,
Okay.
in my opinion.
What are the top skills that are seen by HRs like leadership, management, etc.? And how what are they saw to you? Any special skill that
So
you have that
they'll
you are separated from other candidates over the interview panel?
Mm-hmm. So definitely they'll see. I don't know about the HR, but they'll see many skills like communication skills, as I told you earlier. Also,
Okay.
it plays a very crucial part in the cracking up of the interview. Then, secondly, I must say your knowledge also they check because I was given some situations in which I need to deal, how I will deal. So they see that also if the candidate is able to cope up with that, then problem solving skills were also tested. So there are
Okay.
many skills they look for. It depends upon the type of company you're applying for, and the HR who is taking. It depends on him also.
Okay. So, as
Yeah.
you have completed your bachelor, so is it your first company?
Hmm.
I mean, you applied for many companies, and this is your first company, or else this is your first company that you have been facing the interviews, like you didn't have any mock interviews.
Yes, it was my first company only.
Okay.
It was my first time, and I cleared it.
Okay. So I think
Yeah.
you believe in better that first impression is the best impression, and especially for Devdutt Bharti.
Yes, certainly I do. Yeah.
Okay. So definitely. So for guys, he's my schoolmate, and from school also he is very passionate about the computers and little programming from C++. So we used to attend classes
Yeah.
regarding C++ in the same room. Although he's from commerce
Hmm.
background, he definitely comes to my class for C++ programs only. Used to
Yes,
miss
yes,
out
yes.
those
I
days
remember that.
also. Now,
Yeah.
although now it's being a great pleasure that I am taking his time to review the content and share his views of a management side
It's my
plan.
pleasure, bro.
Okay. So definitely I have asked him for time, and he has gave his time also to us for the channel. And bro, the my opinion towards management is like, once we see from outer side, okay, like if I'm a non-management guy, so I see very limited options
Hmm.
in management. So can you just open up what are the options in our management except this HR, finance, etc.?
Okay. So there is marketing,
Okay.
which you didn't told. Yeah, marketing is there, sales is there, HR you told,
Yeah.
and there are also new fields is also coming, but these four are the main.
Okay.
Yeah, HR is yeah, the HR is very common. Means I was asked that will I do my further studies? Will I do my MBA in the interview only? So I said yes, I'll do that. So they asked me to in which field I'll choose my MBA. So I said HR. So
Okay.
they were very yeah. So they were very skeptical that why are you choosing HR? You
Hmm.
are applying for sales background. You are applying for marketing. So why you are doing HR? So that was also a reason why I think I was being called for the interview again and again for the three interviews as I told
Okay.
because they were very much keen, yeah, to know why I'm having that interest in HR. So I think yeah, that was also a parameter for that they called me.
So as you
And
said,
regarding your
HR,
question,
so you are interested in recruiting people.
yeah, yes, I am certainly, but
Okay.
the company is not allowing me to do that.
Okay. So once you gain experience, you will definitely do
Yes,
that after 4 to 5 years.
hope so, maybe.
Okay.
Maybe I
So
can do
yeah,
that
actually the
also.
basically as you said
Yeah.
that people usually go to this 4 to 5 domains only. They restrict themselves, like they don't explore.
Mm-hmm.
They go in the
Yeah.
way that people all people go. Like some of my friends said that I need to study MBA finance, they
Mm-hmm.
jump into that. Some say MBA HR, so they jump into that. But is it very important for the youngster to listen to his internal opinion and his options? Like I have interest in, let's say, financial management. Okay, financial management is a broader study of MBA where people used to
Yeah.
give up with finance, sales, and management. So all the three are inclusive
Mm-hmm.
in that, but people usually go separately: HR, sales, marketing, etc. According to you, what might be the better option? Like going in our interest or just going in the direction where all people are going?
No, I will not say that. I will say that if do whatever you are interested in.
Okay,
Don't look for the yeah. Don't look for your friends. Don't look for anything else. I'll say
okay,
that go for your interest only because that is the only thing which will help you also. The
okay,
friends will not help you anything. Yeah, they'll not come and give the interview for your side. Yes. So I think you should do of your interest, the thing
okay.
which is interested in. Yeah, you are
Okay, bro.
interested in.
So again, it was very curious and very pleasure answer from given by you, and
Yeah,
hopefully the viewers will definitely get a content through it. And now
yeah,
let's
sure.
move on to session four, part four
Hmm.
of this
Hmm.
session. So in this session, in this part, we'll definitely dealing with some kind of stuff like I want Devdutt Bharne to tell me the core stuff, like how he's inspired by his job and how he's related to his management, how he focuses on studies, and how the what are the difficulties that you faced as a student and now after joining the job. So how do
Hmm.
you
Hmm.
relate that regarding the time period? Can you tell me about that? And what are the
Yeah,
tips
yeah,
that you
yeah.
need to give for the upcoming like 2021 passed out and etc. for the upcoming interview phases?
Hmm.
Like how confident they should be.
Okay. So as you know, the year 2020 was not so good. Yeah,
Okay.
the
Yeah,
lockdown
definitely
phase,
people would
yeah, came.
acknowledge it,
Yes.
right?
So my joining was also extended very
Okay.
far away because I was going to start my job at March 2020, and
Okay.
now I'm doing my job. So you can see that there's a broad gap in between. So it was
Yeah,
very
sure.
much, yeah, it was very much, frustrating for me also that
Okay.
I'm not doing anything. So 2020 is a very, very not very much good year. So
Okay.
my graduation was also completed in 2020 only. So my exam was also postponed, as
Yeah.
you might know, and it was an open book examination also. It was not a
Okay.
very yeah. So
Open book
2020
examination.
has yeah 2020 has completely knocked me off. So
Okay.
I'll say to the 2021 guys that hope so it will be good, that there will be no online classes and all those things. And 2021 guys should see that they should work on their curricular as well as co-curricular skills as well, because the HR see both the criterias. They need a
Okay.
guy who is perfect in all the sectors he can do
So
well.
being all rounder is
So
essential for me getting a job, right?
yes, it is, certainly it
Okay.
is. They judge you on that parameter also. So, so I will suggest the 2021 guys that do your studies, do your course, but side by side also prepare for something else. Also, do some certification course also in
Okay.
your free time. Yeah, so that will be also helpful and make your resume a little bit more creative, because I have seen that many guys have given their resume in a very traditional way. So that is
Okay.
not a good sign,
So what are the
because
elements that
and
you suggest to add up in the 20 for the coming up passed outs, like modern resume you mean?
yeah. So I meant to say that uh, make it a little bit bold, graphical style, not a very traditional style. As
Okay.
I have made, yeah, I have made earlier I have made a traditional style resume only. So, but I'll suggest that go for a graphical based one, because the HR there's a average time of 8 seconds. 8 seconds is only required for a HR to decide whether the candidate has to be given a chance or not. So
Okay.
there is a 8 second rule that we
Okay.
need to follow. So if we'll make a graphical resume, it will be very much easy for the HR also to
Hmm.
see that the candidate is good or not. He'll
Okay.
judge it in 8 seconds only. So I say that please spend some of your time on making of your resume also a
Okay.
better way, in a better way.
So, this modern way of resume you told me, right? This is
Yeah.
comparatively an easier pattern for understanding the job or role also, like reading the job description, applying for the new jobs, etc.
Mm-hmm. Definitely, we'll do that also.
Okay.
Regarding the job also, they gave us the flyer also. Regarding which sense you're talking about? Regarding
Nahin,
in
look
my
like
favor or
many people many people have aspirant to many different packages, like high packages,
Mhm.
the more people will
Yeah.
go, but HR will
Mhm.
definitely not take it in that way. He'll definitely judge you on the performance of interview and GD, etc. But I mean to
Definitely.
say, like, if you crack the step 1 aptitude round, step 2 your HR
Okay.
technical round, step 3 your aptitude again HR round, so again you will land up in the job.
Mhm.
But after
Yeah.
landing up in the job and after getting the job, people just think of back like, oh no, the package would be definitely greater than that and should support. I shouldn't be coming here and I should go there. So that kind of thought
Mhm.
anytime people could have in like facing an interview.
So in my case, the package was told to me earlier only. I
There was a
was not
transparency
allowed
between
to.
you and the company.
Yeah. I was not allowed to
Okay.
do any negotiation with them. So it was
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Hmm.
So again, the people would definitely go, as you said, that there should be clear transparency between the company and the candidate. So it is very
Yeah.
less, uh, as in today's era, people just go for jobs, the package that you displayed in them. So there is actually, I just need to last clarification is, what's your opinion on product based company versus service based company? I'm not talking about IT sector. In general also, people
Okay.
have management side on the both side, like, and the corporate, when you at the corporate level, when you think people prefer go to product based companies. Apart from IT,
Hmm.
they get very high in management position also in product based companies, but they are
Yeah.
considered to work in certain specific product itself. But when you go to service based company, people just usually jump up to the role. Different projects are being upcoming there. So what's your opinion
Hmm.
regarding product based service is best or service based companies are best as a fresher, like when you're joining, what should be in your
It
mind?
it is completely based on the candidate's preference. I cannot
Okay.
say that. In my case, I'll choose the product-based company
Okay.
because I'm more interested in that only. If a
Okay.
guy is interested in sales by, I mean service based company, that he can he or she can apply for that also. There is no
Okay.
problem in that.
So getting a job is very difficult for product based companies or service based company.
No, it is not difficult if the candidate is having enough of knowledge, then no job is difficult for him. No
Okay.
interview is difficult for him. Yeah, the candidate should have proper knowledge of the job. That is the
Okay.
only goal.
Okay. So we have a couple of minutes. So Devdutt Barne, I just want you
Mhm.
to share your resume that I will link down in the description box so that many people would definitely copy the format if they want, like you said, the modern format, right? The management people would
Sure,
definitely look into it.
I'll give a sample resume of
Okay.
mine. Yeah.
So I'll just drop the social media handles of Devdutt Barne of LinkedIn and his social media profile in the description box. So people would definitely reach up to you. Just you helped
Absolutely.
as you helped me in this regarding the taking the whole video and the session. So definitely you
Sure,
also help
sure.
them. The people audience would definitely come up to you also. So
Yeah,
it was very pleasure. It was
definitely.
very pleasure. Really nice after me meeting you after 3.5 years through this virtual conference, etc. And
Yes,
hopefully the
bro,
warm
yes.
regards from our channel
Same
also.
here.
So just be
Thank you so much. Thank you.
supportive to our channel and just
Sure,
be
definitely,
active
definitely.
viewer of our channel, and we'll just share the video with your maximum friends
Absolutely, man.
also. So yeah, that's all for this session.
Yep.
So let's wind up here. And hope you like this video.
Okay.
If you really like the video, just enjoy, just put the like button and hit that subscribe button if you really like the content that I put, and do share the video with your friends. So yeah, Devdutt, let's meet up in next. Thanks.
Thank you so much.